Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make the best spinach dip using Knorr vegetable mix. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 1 package of Knorr vegetable recipe mix, a 10-ounce package of frozen chopped spinach, and a 16-ounce container of sour cream. Don't forget an 8-ounce can of finely chopped water chestnuts and 3 thinly sliced green onions. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. The first crucial step is preparing your spinach. Take your 10-ounce package of frozen chopped spinach and thaw it completely. Once thawed, it's vital to squeeze out all the excess water. You can use a clean kitchen towel or several layers of paper towels for this. Removing the water prevents your dip from becoming watery and ensures a rich, creamy texture. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, combine your thoroughly squeezed spinach with the Knorr vegetable recipe mix. Next, add the entire 16-ounce container of sour cream. Stir these ingredients until they are well blended and smooth. Finally, gently fold in the finely chopped water chestnuts and the thinly sliced green onions, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the dip. Once all your ingredients are mixed, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap. Place the dip in the refrigerator and chill it for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time is essential as it allows all the wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, creating that perfect taste. When ready, serve your delicious spinach dip with an assortment of crackers, crusty bread, or fresh vegetables. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.